There are several ways to search PubMed by journal. You may search by the complete journal title, the International Standard Serial Number, or ISSN, or by the MEDLINE journal title abbreviation. Note that using only a partial journal title will not retrieve the best results from PubMed. Let's try a search for the Journal of Pediatric Surgery in PubMed. Click Search. Your results will include all of the citations in PubMed from this journal. You may wish to sort your results by most recent for this type of search. Click on the Most Recent Sort button. If your journal title is also a subject term like cell, cancer, or pediatrics, or if you are unsure of the exact journal title, use the Advanced Search to avoid problems searching for your journal. In the Search Builder section, select Journal. Enter several characters from the journal name in the search box. Select the journal title from the autocomplete menu. Click Add to add the journal to the query box. Click Search to find all works in PubMed from this journal.